Pacific Coaching Classes NER 6th Class Math Chapter 10 Equation Practice Set 26 compiled by Abhay Ishwar Bhansali for the Pacific Coaching Classes NER. Question first. Different mathematical operations are given in two rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation and make equation. 16 divided by 2, 5 multiplied by 2, 9 plus 4, 72 divided by 3 and 4 plus 5. Second row is 8 into 3, 19 minus 10, 10 minus 2, 37 minus 27, 6 plus 7. Solution. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 2s are 16. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 2s are 10. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 37 minus 27 is equal to 10. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 16 minus 2. The answer of the 16 minus 2 is 8 and 10 minus 2 is also 8. So here the first one is matches with the third one. Second one is matches with the result of fourth one. Third one is matches with the result of fifth one. Fourth one matches with the first one and fifth one matches with the second one. In this way we complete the exercise practice set 27. Then practice set 27. Class 6th Math Chapter 10 Equation Practice Set 27 compiled by Abhay Ishwar Bhansali for the Pacific Coaching Classes NER. Question first. Rewrite the following using a letter. The sum of a certain number and 3. The difference is obtained by subtracting 11 from the another number. The product of the 15 and the another number. 4 times a number is 24. Solution. Let assume that the number be the x in a first case. Then x plus 3 represent the sum of a certain number x and 3. Second case, let us assume that the number be the x. X minus 11 represent the number obtained by the subtracting 11 from the another number x. Case third, let us assume that the number be the x. 15x represent the product of the 15 and the another number x. Fourth one, let the number be a x. 4x is equal to 24 represent 4 the product of a number x 4 times. Question second. Find out which operation must be done on both sides of this equation in order to solve them. X plus 9 is equal to 11. X minus 4 is equal to 9. 8x is equal to 24. X upon 6 is equal to 3. Solution. इथे पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये प्लस 9 दिलेला आहे म्हणजे इथे काय करावं लागेल सबट्रॅक्ट -9 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड. सबट्रॅक्ट 9 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड. ऍड 4 इथे मायनस दिलेला आहे म्हणजे याच्यात ऍड करावे लागतील तर ऍड 4 टू द बोथ साइड. तिसऱ्या याच्यात हा मल्टिप्लाय मध्ये दिलेला आहे तर याला काय करावं लागेल डिवाइड बाय 8 टू द बोथ साइड. डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय 8 आणि इथे x अपॉन 6 दिलेला आहे इज इक्वल टू 3 तर इथे काय करावं लागेल मल्टिप्लाय बोथ साइड बाय द 6. Question third. Given below are the some equation and the values of the variables. Are these values the solution of those equation? Number, equation, value of the variable and solution. First one, y minus 3 is equal to 11. Y is equal to 3. The solution is no. Second one, 17 is equal to n plus 7. N is equal to 10. Third one, 30 is equal to 5x, x is equal to 6. And fourth one, m upon 2 is equal to 14, m is equal to 7. पहिल्याचा आन्सर यस, सेकंडचा आन्सर यस आणि शेवटचा आन्सर आहे नो. y minus 3 is equal to 11. Adding 3 to the both side, y minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 11 plus 3. Y minus 0 is equal to 14. Therefore, y is equal to 14. Second, 17 is equal to n plus 7. Subtracting 7 from the both side. 17 minus 7 is equal to n plus 7 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 म्हणजे 0 आणि 17 मधून 7 गेले तर 10. Therefore, n is equal to 10. Third one, 30 is equal to 5x. Dividing both side by the 5. इथे हा x ला इथे मल्टिप्लाय मध्ये होता म्हणून आपण काय केलं, डिवाइड केलं. तर 30 ला जर डिवाइड केलं, 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 5x डिवाइडेड बाय 5. हा 5 कॅन्सल होईल आणि हा 5 1 जा 5 आणि 5 6 जा 30 म्हणजे 1x इज इक्वल टू 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. m upon 2 is equal to 14. इथे डिवाइड मध्ये होता तर याला मल्टिप्लाय मध्ये जाईल. Multiplying both side by the 2. m upon 2 into 2 is equal to 14 into 2. हा 2 कॅन्सल झाला म्हणजे m is equal to 28. Question 4th. Solve the following question. y minus 5 is equal to 1. 8 is equal to t plus 5. 4x is equal to 52. 19 is equal to m minus 4. Fifth one is the p upon 4 is equal to 9. Sixth one is the x plus 10 is equal to 5. Seventh one is the m minus 5 is equal to minus 12. And eighth one is the p plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Solution. Y minus 5 is equal to 1. Adding both side 5. Y minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. हा minus 5 आणि plus 5. minus 5 आणि plus 5 कॅन्सल होईल म्हणजे y is equal to 6. याचं सोल्युशन निघालं. नंतर आहे 8 is equal to t plus 5. मग इथे काय करावं लागेल, सबस्ट्रॅक्टिंग 5 फ्रॉम द बोथ साइड. मग 8 minus 5 is equal to t plus 5 minus 5. 8 plus minus 5 is equal to t plus 0. Therefore, 3 is equal to t. T is equal to 3. Third one, 4x is equal to 52. Dividing both side by the 4. 4x upon 4 is equal to 52 upon 4. हा 4 कॅन्सल होईल म्हणजे x is equal to 13. 4 1 जा 4, 4 13 जार 52. 13 4 जार 52. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Fourth one, 19 is equal to m minus 4. Adding 4 both side. 19 plus 4 is equal to m minus 4 plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 0 होऊन जाईल. 19 plus 4 19 23 is equal to m. Therefore, m is equal to 23. p upon 4 is equal to 9. इथे upon 4 आहे म्हणून दोन्ही साइडला आपल्याला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल, 4 नी. Multiplying both side by the 4. p upon 4 into 4 is equal to 9 into 4. हा 4 कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल मग राहिला p शिल्लक. p is equal to 36. Sixth one, x plus 10 is equal to 5. Subtracting 10 from the both side. X plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 5 minus 10. minus 10 plus 10 minus 10 आणि plus 10 कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल म्हणजे x is equal to minus 5. x is equal to minus 5. Seventh one, m minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Adding 5 to the both side. m minus 5 plus 5 is equal to minus 12 plus 5. Plus minus cancel होऊन जाईल. minus 12 plus 5 is equal to minus 7. म्हणजे इथे काय येईल, m is equal to minus 7. नंतर आहे p plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Subtracting 4 from the both side. p plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 minus 4. p plus 0 is equal to -1 plus -4. Therefore, P is equal to -5. Question 5th. Write the given information as an equation and find its solution. Harba owns some sheep. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176 sheep. How many sheep did Harba have at first? हरबानं काही बकऱ्या विकल्या, काही मेंढ्या विकल्या. त्यांनी 34 मेंढ्या विकल्यानंतर त्याजवळ 176 मेंढ्या शिल्लक राहिल्या. तर हरबाजवळ आधी किती मेंढ्या होत्या? सोल्युशन. हरबाजवळ आधी x एवढ्या मेंढ्या होत्या असं जर आपण अझ्युम केलं. लेट द नंबर ऑफ द शीप बिफोर सेलिंग बी द x. देअरफॉर x - 34 इज इक्वल टू 176. x minus 34 plus 34 is equal to 176 plus 34. Adding both sides 34. X plus 0 is equal to 210. Therefore, x is equal to 210. The number of the sheep with Harba before selling is 210. Sakshi prepared, second example, Sakshi prepared some jam at home and filled it in the bottles. After giving away 7 of the bottles to her friend, she still has a 12 for herself. साक्षीने घरी जाम बनवला आणि त्याने त्याच्या बॉटल भरल्या आणि 7 बॉटल तिच्या मैत्रिणीला दिल्यानंतर तिच्याजवळ 12 बॉटल शिल्लक राहिल्या. हाऊ मेनी बॉटल्स हॅड शी मेड इन ऑल. तर तिने टोटल बॉटल किती बनवलेल्या होत्या? इफ शी फिल्ड द 250 ग्रॅम ऑफ जॅम इन ईच बॉटल. जर तिने प्रत्येक बॉटल मध्ये 1 पाव जाम जर टाकलेला असेल, व्हॉट वॉज द टोटल वेट ऑफ द जाम शी मेड. तर तिने टोटल किती जाम बनवला? सोल्युशन. लेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द बॉटल बी x. x minus 7 is equal to 12. x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 12 plus 7. Adding 7 to the both side. X plus 0 is equal to 19. Therefore, x is equal to 19. Weight of the jam in each bottle is equal to 250 gram. Total weight of jam is equal to total number of bottle into 250 gram is equal to 4750 gram is equal to 4750 divided by 1000 kilogram is equal to 4.75 kilogram. Therefore, the total number of the bottle of the jam made by the Sakshi is 19. And the total weight of the jam made is 4.75 kg. Third one, Archana bought some kilograms of wheat. अर्चनानं काही किलोग्राम गहू विकत घेतले. She required 12 kilogram per month. तिला 12 किलो महिन्याचे गहू लागतात. And she got the enough wheat meal for 3 months. आणि तिला एवढे गहू मिळाले की तिच्या घरी 3 महिने दळण आणण्याचं काम नाही आहे. आफ्टर दॅट शी हॅड 14 किलोग्राम लेफ्ट. आणि एवढं केल्यानंतर तिच्याजवळ किती 14 किलोग्राम शिल्लक राहिले. हाऊ मच व्हीट हॅड अर्चना बॉट ऑल टुगेदर. तर अर्चनानं टोटल किती गहू विकत घेतला? सोल्युशन. लेट द टोटल व्हीट बॉट बाय द अर्चना बी द x किलोग्राम. व्हीट यूज इन 1 month is equal to 12 kilogram. Wheat use in a 3 month is equal to 3 into 12 is equal to 36 kilogram. X minus 36 is equal to 14 kilogram. X minus 36 plus 36 is equal to 14 plus 36. Adding 36 to the both side. X plus 0 is equal to 50. Therefore, x is equal to 50. Therefore, the total amount of the wheat bought by the Archana was 50 kg. Class 8, Chapter 10, Equation. End of all exercise compiled by Abhayeshwar Bhansali for the Pacific Coaching Classes NER. Pacific Coaching Classes NER. We are thankful to students for their innovative ideas. Kumari Suhani Y. Chirde, Sahil M. Dudhe, Krishna Sonone, Ayyan Sheikh, Saurav Jadhav, Ayush Gardinkar and Zidan Khan. Thank you.